Hey guys, what's up? Pase Baller here. Dito po ngayon tayo for the second game for today's game day, June 29, 2022. This will be for our Philippine Basketball Association. Second game will be at 6 o'clock p.m. Smart Araneta Coliseum, the game between San Miguel Beermen and Rain or Shine Elasto Painters. Again, ini-invite ko lang yung mga hindi pa din nakaka-subscribe dun sa YouTube account natin or YouTube channel, Pasay Baller. Pakiclick lang yung subscribe button sa baba. At the same time, hit nyo na yung bell logo. That way, automatically, you guys will be receiving notifications pag meron tayong bagong prediction, NBA, PBA, MLB man yan. Okay? Maraming salamat dun sa mga sumusuporta, dun sa mga haters. Chill lang, guys. I'm just giving predictions. Up to you if you would tail or fade. Alright? Peace. Alright, so dito tayo ngayon. San Miguel Beer versus Rain or Shine Elasto Painters. San Miguel Beermen, they are actually doing good. Actually, they are doing great. They have a record of 4 wins and 1 loss. Number 2 sila, although identical sila ng record ng Hinebra. They are number 2 kasi winner over the other. Tinalo ng Hinebra ang San Miguel. So again, the record nila is 4 wins, 1 loss. Samantalang yung Rain or Shine, yun, medyo pangit talaga yung record ng Rain or Shine. Review ko nga, pero ang alam ko 1-4 ang record nila. Is that right? Yeah, 1 win and 4 losses. They are on a 4-game losing skid after winning their first game. For me, it was an escape against Converge. Now, they have lost 4 straight. And, man, they're even going up against one of the best teams right now, which is San Miguel. So, napakahirap ng kalagayan ng Rain or Shine sa ngayon. Okay, I'm gonna be straight out and I'm gonna make this one quick. I think San Miguel will actually take home the victory. So pag-usapan na lang natin kung mako-cover ba yung spread o hindi. Ang spread na nakita ko is a minus 7.5, of course, in favor of San Miguel Beer. I think that should still be enough even though wala si Vic Manuel, wala si Terence Romeo, wala si Chris Ross. Man, even though maraming wala sa San Miguel, they actually showed how dominant they still can be. And that actually just proves how deep their bench is. Yung lately, tinambakan nila yung Converge, tapos tinalo nila yung Phoenix ng 8 points. Now, if you will just be comparing those games dun sa laban ng Rain or Shine dun sa mga teams na yon. Una, montik pang matalo ng Converge ang Rain or Shine, tinambakan ng San Miguel yon. Yung pangalawa, tinalo ng San Miguel ang Phoenix by 8 points. Yung Phoenix, tinalo ang Rain or Shine. So kung kumparahan lang, ganun ang lalabas. Pero of course, basketball, hindi siya pwedeng ganun lagi. We just really need to look at those two teams involved. And again, this is Beermen going up against Rain or Shine. I think hindi talaga kaya kasi Junmar is back. Actually, pangit yung laro ni Junmar nung sa Hinebra. Parang hindi ako, I don't know, I don't know if something's wrong. Parang siyang tinatamad or what. But right after that, ang ganda ng mga pinakita niya doon sa Converge. Talagang nagpakilala siya doon sa mga bata. Perez, Ganado, Ganado lahat. Enciso, I'm very happy that he's being given a lot of minutes now. Because of the injury ni Chris Ross, 'di ba? Napakalalim na tong San Miguel Beermen na to. And again, Rain or Shine Elasto Painters, kulang talaga eh. Belga is doing his best. Norwood is still giving his all. Nambatak is trying to be as clutch as possible, but man, kung hindi umubra yun doon sa 4 na laban nila on different teams, I just don't see any reason kung bakit at papaano nila ma-apply yun at matatalo ang San Miguel. Okay, so my pick on this one would be San Miguel Beermen minus 7.5. Again, that's SMB minus 7.5. Peace out, Pasay love, and God bless.